Hi, welcome to another Paleo Diet Live video. I'm your host, Stacy Sanchez, and today I'm going to talk about what is the Paleo Diet, Part 1. So let's get started. The healthiest way you can eat. If you desire to eat healthy, the Paleo Diet is the remedy. It's viewed as the primary natural way that actually is effective with the genetics. It will help to be strong, stay toned, and have energy. Most experiments in many domains like ophthalmology, dermatology, biology, biochemistry, among others, claim it's the current diet you must have. It's crucial to understand that degenerative and chronic illnesses like heart disease, Parkinson's, obesity, diabetes, infertility, etc. have their root in unhealthy diet, including refined foods, trans fats, and sugars. Building up a healthy paleo diet. There are a lot of foods you should include in your paleo diet. Fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, poultry, grass-fed beef, seafood, nuts and seeds, eggs, olive oil, coconut oil, walnut oil, avocado oil. Lean proteins. Lean proteins support healthy bones and optimal immune function. They offer you the perception of being satisfied in the middle of your meals as well. Fruits and vegetables. All of them are actually full of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and phytonutrients. They decrease the risk of several degenerative conditions, just like diabetes, neurological decline, and cancer. Healthy fats. Fats from olive oil, grass-fed meats, nuts, avocados, seeds, and fish oils are abundant in monosaturated and omega-3s. More than a few epidemiological studies show that those fats lessen in a vital way cancer, obesity, heart disease, cognitive decline, and diabetes. Saturated fats. Many of these fats have been demonized by the media and likewise by health regulators. So why do they do that? Think about the suggestions they offer. Are they rationalized? What's the volume and amount of saturated fats we need to take in? They don't give any logical reason. Only by having a scientific and historical perspective, these kinds of concerns might be responded. A handful of saturated fats will be found in poultry with skin, butter, fatty beef, lamb, pork, cheese, lard, and cream. Quantities and kinds of fats discovered in wild meat, fowl, and fish. Fats found in grain-fed animals compared to grass-fed ones are known as one of the primary deviations away from the paleo diet. For instance, wild meat is truly lean and includes incredibly low quantities of saturated fats. It also gives high amounts of omega-3 fats, like EPA and DHA. Free-range meat is substantially healthier as opposed to regular meat. This can be easily demonstrated by fatty acid examination of the tissue of wild ruminants. Health positive factors of the paleo diet. Some people argue that the paleo diet is the diet they need to have because it supplies ideal results, such as weight loss, lowered pain from autoimmunity, and better blood lipids. However, other people are genuinely not convinced by only following others in a blindly way. They desire to figure out for what reason they are doing it. The very good reason is that the paleo diet has been scientifically tested, defined, and proven for several years. By choosing the paleo diet in our lives, we dispose of those foods that injure our organism, like legumes, dairy, and grains. As well, we enhance the intake of minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and also make sure you join my 100% free paleo diet mini course at www.paleodietlife.com.